modern, and they have a little bit more space.
Hey everyone, this is the Superior Suite at Le Toiny in St Barths. This little kitchenette, everything is included. And yes, I'm gonna get to the outdoor space in a minute. Look at this though, you've got your own living space, the bedroom with that view, and take a look at the bathroom. Just gorgeous, fresh, clean, modern, cool Sicilian toiletries, large shower, safe, personalized flip-flops. And then let me take you to the outdoor space because it's really spectacular. Every suite, there's only 22 suites here, and everything comes with a heated pool. So take a look at the outdoor space. And that's your view. So this is a Superior Suite at Le Toiny in St Barths, and I'm ready to move in. This is Denise from Luxury Travel Adventures and Travel Experts, signing off.